In this video, I want to go through a kind of typical real world workflow that you might go through when you're just choosing a groove in a kit and customizing the sound to get it to work with your music. Here's some bass and keys that I have done up. And I found a kit that I like under Vinyl Breaks. I went to Heart Pain and I went through some of the grooves and I found this that I like. So it kind of works nicely. I've added a bit of swing. And I like it with the swing feel. And I'm going to export it into my arrangement. So I'm going to click there and just drag it in. And I see here that it's a 2-bar loop, and I'm just going to loop it so it works with my arrangement. And what I can do now is just go through and customize things as I need. I'm going to leave the main mix controls as they are. So here, we put these on. Maybe I want to go without the digital layer. I'm going to go maybe for a wood beater. Yeah, I'm liking that. And we want to fatten it up with something. That's not bad. We can always just use a sine wave. Yeah. Just that. And I can set the decay to how I want it. But just that little bit of low end. Soloing my drums, now soloing this. I'll add some drive. And I've got it in the room mics, and that's fine for me for that. Go to the snare. I think I'm going to tune it up a little bit. Bring down some of the mids. A bit shorter. And I'll just leave that as is. Hi-hats. I'm going to bring them up in volume. And let's see if we want to blend some of this in. Yeah, I think I'm just going to go with the regular hi-hats. Need some filtering. Not going to worry too much about the toms and cymbals. Go with the ambience here. So I'm using mainly the room mic. I don't need that delay. Sending to the reverb 1, which is fine. And here, I think I'll change this impulse. And again, I'm soloing the ambience on purpose. Let's go back here, take that out of solo. Good. Not loving the hi-hats. Maybe I will blend it with something here. Bring the volume down a bit. Give it a bit more click. Okay, good. So I've got a nice, good, customized kit here. Let's listen to the limiter. I don't really need much of that, but a little bit. Great. So I want to save that now. And we need to do that from within either Falcon or the UVI workstation. I just want to do a couple of broad level tweaks. Let me just solo this one last time. Bring this down. Okay, great. So from under the wrench icon here, I can always go save program as, and it's just defaulting to my documents folder. I can save it wherever is meaningful to me, and I'm going to dig into UVI and then the user presets folder, and I'll give it a name. And now when I want to recall it again from here, I can always go into load program, and it's defaulting to my Falcon user presets, and there's the kit that I just saved. We'll continue with more in the next video.